Manipur Chief Minister N.Biren Singh condemned the recent remarks made by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and India alliance, accusing them of resorting to personal attacks on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's age following electoral setbacks. Singh labelled the criticism as pitiful and farcical, questioning the opposition's tactics amidst their electoral defeats. Singh stated the widespread support of PM Modi across the nation, stating that he is admired and loved by people from all corners of India. He reiterated that public's confidence in Modi's leadership and commitment to the nation's progress, asserting that the Prime Minister's vision for a developed India will propel the country to greater heights in the next 5 years. Earlier in the day, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that Narendra Modi will become the Prime Minister of the country again and will complete his third term. Amit Shah's remark came in response to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's claim that PM Modi is turning 75 next year and 17 September, PM Modi's birthday, will be his last day in office. I want to tell Arvind Kejriwal and the India Alliance that there is no need to be happy about Modi ji turning 75. It is not written in the constitution of the BJP that Modi ji cannot become Prime Minister. He will again become Prime Minister and complete the term, Amit Shah said while addressing a press conference in Hyderabad.